All right, here's a real simple video for y'all on creating a logo really quick on Chat GPT4 with Dolly3. Just so you know, this is a $20 a month subscription for Chat GPT, this version and what you can use with it. But already, I mean, I've been using it for about a day, and I'm just getting so much use out of it. So I just wanted to show you a quick tutorial on just how to create some logos and just maybe what you would use as a prompt. So here's what I did. This YouTube page is called Embracing AI Tools, and I thought it would be nice to have a little avatar for the page here. And so I thought, hell, let's embrace them. So embracing AI, and I said the main logo should just be the letters EAI. The E can be curvy and the AI more straight. I want it to look minimal and tech-based. It should be clear enough to be legible in a small profile avatar. Please make the logo fit within a circle. Use the colors black and variations of blue. So these is what it came up with. Of these, I kind of like this one, but I really couldn't see the A as much as I wanted to, though I did think it was working kind of cool. This one as well, but it had a little too much like copyright. There's too much of a C than anything else. And I liked this one, and I thought this one was really cool. You can see that E in there. There's clearly an A and then the I in the circle. But unlike these guys, it kind of had this weird, like, it's looking like you're looking at a desk or something. I didn't really understand why it did it that way. So I asked it to show me more basic iteration of that first top left logo, keep the E and the AI arrangements the same. Unfortunately, it did not do it. If you see here versus this, it's not as clear that the E's there, and it kind of was not working. So I redid the original prompt, and I just kind of maybe based a little more. The main logo should be letters EA, blah, blah, blah. But I want to look minimal. Make it into a vector style that I can use to upload to profile avatars. Again, it just wasn't hitting, and I wasn't very happy about it. And I was getting a little frustrated. So I just went to Photoshop and I took the image and I did that. So instead of doing it, you realize that sometimes you just gotta do it yourself, and so that's what I did. And now I'll show you here. I'll just do a quick little grab of this. Honestly, I'm not a Photoshop guy. I don't really know that much, but I know enough that maybe I can just, well, actually, why don't we just, um, if anyone knows how to do this better, make some comments. And where's the hell is the magic wand? Oh, there we go. No, fuck. You guys, is everyone laughing at me in the comments here? You know what? Fuck my whole life. I hate all of this. Sorry, guys. Anyway, so whether you like it or not, that's how I made a stupid logo. Go ahead, laugh at me. Go ahead, laugh at my terrible, terrible photoshopping. I know this is not how you do it, and most people will hopefully sound off in the comments and tell me I'm a total piece of trash. You're welcome to. I don't really care. I did this so quickly that if anyone thinks I'm a piece of trash, well, get ready to. If any designer thinks I'm a piece of trash, get ready to lose your freaking job because I just made a logo this fast. No, I'm kidding. I hope no one loses their jobs. I'd be really bummed if me and my friends lost all of our jobs. That's why I am doing this, because I want everyone to learn how to use this so that instead of losing our jobs, we embrace AI and we get a lot better at using it so we can hopefully keep our jobs and just make stuff better and faster. Yeah, that's why I'm doing it. So I hope that helps you guys understand what I'm doing here, why I'm hopefully helping you guys out. Hopefully you're getting some cool information from me. And if not, you have more questions or anything like that, sound off in the comments. I'll do what I can. And yeah, I guess I'll just see you next week. Bye.